Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and Merry Christmas from the Scare Factor. Our Christmas haunted house tour continues, and tonight we are at the Dent Schoolhouse in Cincinnati, Ohio. Santa Claus, or somebody dressed as Santa Claus, has taken over the Dent Schoolhouse, and it is not good. Tonight we've got Morgan with us again, and our good friend Suzze. You might remember her. This haunt is packed full of evil elves and snowmen and giant teddy bears and all kinds of stuff that you are not going to want to cross paths with. It is just as scary as ever, and you're not going to want to miss it. So without further ado, let's head in for some festive frights. So whether you come out here for Christmas or for their Halloween show, the first part of the queue area here is their fall festival. They've got all kinds of photo ops you can take pictures of, and of course now they've got it all themed out for Christmas. It's a really spooky way to get the juices flowing before you get into the haunt.
Oh my goodness. Sorry. Yes! Oh, look at those beautiful photos. Oh! That way! Not over there!
Oh, you naughty listers!
Oh! I knew we were going to be on that naughty list.
How did he know?
What did we do though? What got us on the naughty list? Oh! She's doing some weird moving. She's possessed. Oh, I don't like this music. God, the bear is real! Oh my God! Oh! Feliz Navidad. I don't trust it. Oh, the bear is? Oh no! Uh-oh.
I don't want to stay in my locker.
I don't blame you.
The Christmas bunny.
You're not on the nice list. What is it? They're gonna smash us in the library.
That's like one of my
How are we supposed to be quiet in here?
Out in the library. I'm trying to sleep.
I'm sorry.
You all woke me up right now. That means
Well, don't sleep in the library. Oh, they impaled that one with a rope. Oh God, oh God. Grandma got run over. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wow. Is that
That was unnecessary.
Oh, I don't trust it either, Morgan.
Do I go through the here? I guess so.
That way.
Oh, they're
You got a
pointing.
beautiful beard.
They're pointing. This way.
The glitter beard.
Oh, poor baby.
Oh, it's got spikes. Susie's laughing. What does she know that we don't? Oh no. Morgan, I think they're dead. Oh, yep, pretty stiff.
Dead.
Oh Lord, look the F out. Oh. Oh my God, this is creepy.
It's like the three ghosts of Christmas
It
past.
smells like a Oh, I got you
We're
back.
not kids.
That was Charlie. Good job.
How are you doing?
That
You
way.
do where candy's made for Christmas?
No.
Yeah, you do.
What?
Cherry cordials are my favorite. They really pop in your mouth.
Oh, they do.
You wanna try?
Oh, no.
Candy apples? Try my syrup! I'm good. I'm gonna make your side into a candy cane. Oh no. I'm gonna eat your eyes like gumdrops.
Oh my.
Gumdrops.
A nice sugar plum fairy.
Wonderful sugar plum fairy.
I think you're a sugar hell fairy.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh.
These are also dead.
They very.
I don't. Yeah.
Oh my God. I don't know what happened.
Merry Christmas.
Okay. Oh God. Oh.
Why does that scare me?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like this.
Oh, I don't either.
I don't like it.
I don't have any.
I want presents.
You got some right here.
You were on the naughty list.
Yes. Good Lord.
You guys are going on the naughty list for scaring me. Shame on you.
I'm already on the naughty list. No. What do you got there? Oh, it's a head. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, meow. Oh.
I hear you.
What is that? What is that? Oh, look out.
Oh my.
Nice Lord Crumb, I will decide.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Bro.
That is awesome.
This way? Crumb doesn't need you to be fat. Move on with your day.
Move on.
Joey's life. That doesn't look like life. Oh, no. You stay in the wall. You can stay in there. No.
No closer, sir.
That's not necessary. There's giant eggs down here. There's some right there. Oh, Lord of mercy. Oh, it's got a frog, but it doesn't make it any cuter. Oh, shoot. What's going on? Oh, God. Oh, what is going on?
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a
God, they were so mad.
Jesus, they're getting me.
Oh, my God.
They're getting me.
This is
also sketch.
Oh, I was outside with the pumpkins.
Fair enough. We'll drop Caroline 9 a.m. tomorrow. You feel free to hear my piece.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
I'm ready.
Yes.
That was good.
Very much. Oh, God. I didn't.
That was good.
I think you did good. Tomorrow, 9 a.m. Whoa. Ho.
I hate strobe lights.
Oh, no. Whoa, this is too
Do I
tricky.
just like
What
go
the
through?
heck?
I think
Oh my
these
God.
are dead too.
Is this room moving? It seems like it's moving. Wow.
Whoa.
Ew, that one's moving.
Is it real?
This one, tickle. He will. Oh, yeah, it's moving.
I know.
It's like the North Pole is here. Oh, those look good. Those look great. I feel like. Oh, look at that one. Okay,
you.
all right.
You look like you're naughty anyway. I am naughty.
I don't
Is
trust
it
these
over?
out here.
I don't think so.
I don't trust the Zobo Circus. Never trust clowns. Ever.
Never.
Especially ones that take their eyeballs out.
Oh, it's already
TNT.
trickery. Oh my jeez. Whoa.
What? Oh, it's a bunny.
Oh, so scared, are we?
No, not me.
Mr. Krampus said I could have anybody I wanted this year. So
That's not-
a bad
that's
bunny.
I'm not
All of you guys.
scared. Terrified.
Okay, there's still Zobo Circus signs. We're good. Maybe.
I go this way.
Right? I think that's the tickling clown. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
What is happening?
That is human cotton candy.
Oh,
Ew, it's gross.
sounds yummy.
Oh my God. I think it's froze.
I thought you said you wanted something for dinner. There you
I
go,
did,
Nora.
but not that, Morgan. Oh, sorry.
Oh, you
Oh.
think you're gonna be that easy?
Oh, no. Definitely not.
Soul-sucking rabbit.
No!
No going back.
You've got some souls back there, though, you know, already. You've got some. Yeah, absolutely.
They do so good. I be thinking these are walls.
Huh?
I said I keep thinking they're walls.
Oh, yeah, they look like walls. Oh, my.
Oh, jeez. Wait. This seems familiar.
Hey, I don't know.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Every time.
I'm waiting for you.
I know. Well, come on.
Naughty or nice? Naughty. I know it. I have 4 eyes and I can tell.
Jiggle your pants, baby. Oh, it's a,
Get back in there right now.
it's a leg lamp.
Okay. This is crazy.
You're going through a meat pie.
Oh, this is gross.
This is our dinner, Morgan.
I don't want it.
Oh my God, this is gross. Is what it is.
It's so nasty.
Don't look at me.
Not the lamp. That's so funny.
There's leg lamps.
Oh, the water. The water.
Welcome to the group stop vacation.
Cookie top.
This isn't good.
Oh.
Holly Jolly Lobotomy.
Oh. Oh, that's okay.
Ollie Jolly Lobotomy.
Yes, yes, it's the Christmas anglerfish.
What is that? Oh my God. It's Santa. Okay. Oh my God. Santa has taken over the Dent Schoolhouse. Oh my God. Santa has taken over. It's not good.
You've been very naughty. You're getting took with your stocking, young lady.
Gotta get that under control. Oh my God. Oh. I don't think I do. Oh, I don't think so. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I can't. Oh.
Gotta get out of here.
Watch out for that big danger noodle, Tyler. That's a big danger noodle. Oh no.
Or it might be snow.
Oh my God, they put reindeer hats on the spiders.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna. It doesn't.
You're creepy. Ah! He's creepy. I don't
It's
trust him.
very creepy.
Oh gosh, I'm falling.
The trust is not there. Oh. I bet you
Ew.
like this one.
So gross. Just because you put a hat on it doesn't make it cute.
But it's a Santa hat.
It's so gross. Ew. Look at the pumpkins. Just look at the pumpkins. Uh-oh. You notice that music is intensifying?
Yeah.
It means something's gonna happen. Shoot. Susie's barreling down the hall. Oh my God. Children at play. Are you okay? This is how you stay warm at the
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
I made it.
Merry Christmas.
I deserve a congratulations after that.
So of course, when you get out of the haunt, make sure you stop into the Monster Midway. That's where the gift shop is, and you can pick up your photos from the beginning of the haunt. There's all kinds of photo ops out here. There's a jack-o'-lantern showcase and a haunted house museum. It's got some old haunt memorabilia from back in the day. They've also got a bunch of mini escape rooms you can try. The Donut Shack is unfortunately shut down because it's too cold, but make sure you come back for Halloween. They've got some amazing donuts and some really good treats out here. We're gonna head on off to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.